February 2020, the Supreme Court of India given Goa as a shining example of uniform civil code in our country. A very good afternoon, one and all present here. So today I am here to talk on the topic that is uniform civil code. So it has been the dream of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, to implement the nationwide uniform civil code. But he was not able to convince his fellow members, and that's why he added up the uniform civil code into the directive principle of state policy in the Article 44. However, he given so many attempts for the implementation of Hindu code, but it was largely objected by the fundamentalists because it was aiming only one community of nation. Now talking about what the Uniform Civil Code is, then it aims to replace the personal law boards in our country which are primarily based on religious scriptures and the customs and traditions. And we all know that most of the religious and the customs and traditions, they are discriminatory against the women. Now the Uniform Civil Code, they relate the law regarding the marriage, divorce, adoptance, inheritance and maintenance. Now talking about why India required the Uniform Civil Code, then first of all, it has the strong constitutional backing as well as the Supreme Court backing. The Supreme Court many a times they have rebuked the government of India for not taking any step towards the implementation of UCC. In 1985, after the Shah Bano case, the Supreme Court of India given the verdict in the favor of Shah Bano. However, it was overruled by the contemporary Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, which had faced a large based criticism from all the institutions and the overworld. Now the second point is it supports the cause of national integration. In India, we know that the Indians have dividing opinion on the basis of their religion and the faiths, and this Uniform Civil Code, it will bring the equality among the nations and it can promote the national integration. The third point is it will support the gender equality. We know that in India the women, they have faced the discrimination on several stages, and Uniform Civil Code will provide the equal opportunity and rights to the women as well as the men. Now talking about some problems that it may face while implementation, then first of all, the perception of UCC as the tool to encroach the religious freedom of the minorities. The minority in India, they are feeling insecure about the implementation of UCC because they think that the UCC will be an agenda of the government for imposition of Hindu code on the all minority of the India. The second problem, that India is a diverse country, and at this particular time we have been facing so many religious and communal violences. So this is, according to me, not the right time for the implementation of UCC. Now in the conclusion or the way forward, I would like to say that it must be implemented, but it should go from the gradual process as mentioned by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It should be gradually implemented. That's all. Thank you.